Hey everybody, it's June 22nd, 2023. Just wanted to give you an update about RHT. Currently we're trading at 9.87 cents. We are down 12% on the day with $690 volume. Volume was up significantly from yesterday. Unfortunately, we're down 12%, but I do like that the holders are strong. I believe yesterday was 167 as well. Some of the recent trades. Here's the corporate wallet selling its 1,000. So I know that it looks scary having one wallet hold 87% of the supply, but it is literally so important to the beginnings of this token, because being that we're able to sell into the market every single day, and it's programmed to sell 1,000 tokens a day. Because we're able to do that, we're able to raise funds to supply the portfolio without having to rely on volume right off the bat. So, for example, that $100 that, let's see, that $108 that it raised for the portfolio today, that we would have had to have $10,800 worth of volume to raise that same amount. And at the rate the volume is right now, you know, that's 2 weeks to raise that same amount. So it's just a way to kind of bypass the growing pains of a new token starting out. And yeah, I mean, it's programmed to sell 1,000 a day, not any more than that. So, I mean, over the course of a year, it only raises the supply by 365,000, which isn't much, and it's going to get less and less significant as the token matures. So that being said, let's go to the tax wallet. We currently have $552.73 in there. Switch over to Robinhood. We're currently at $16,703. Down 512 on the day. It was kind of a rough day, but the good news is that it looks like we're going to get to keep a lot of the stocks that we had purchased, and we're going to get to keep the premiums as well. Down to $109 in cash to spend, which is very low, but I think there's a really good reason for it. I also wanted to give some perspective on this down $512. So the way the coin is put together, this is really insignificant on a day-to-day basis or a week-to-week basis. It doesn't mean the rewards are going to be smaller. Just like if we were up $513 today, doesn't mean the rewards are going to be bigger. This is irrelevant. We are only paying out on dividends, interest, covered call premiums, as far as the stock thing goes. Amazon and stuff, that's a whole different animal. Obviously, you know, we'd like to see the value of the portfolio go up every single day, but reality is that we are going to have days where we're down $500. And when the portfolio gets up to be 6 figures, 7 figures, we're going to have days where we're down tens of thousands of dollars. We just got to remember to look at the big picture and look at what we're doing and what we're trying to accomplish here. We're trying to accomplish the world's first transparent hedge fund. We're trying to accomplish a way for crypto investors to have passive income. And there are going to be growing pains. I'm not going to sugarcoat it. It's going to be a bumpy ride for the first year probably. But once we kind of get everything together and really start rocking this, it's going to turn a lot of heads in the crypto space. I can tell you that. But to look at it from another perspective and just see how we're doing on the year. So the year to date on this portfolio, we're actually up 41%. I think the worst it was we were down almost 2% at one point. That was at the very beginning of the year, January 3rd, 4th, 5th. Now we're up 41%. So yeah, I mean, I like to think that we're moving in the right direction. I believe we are still in profit on Ethereum. Yep, just barely on Ethereum. And I believe we're still in profit on Bitcoin, even though that's taken a little bit of a dive. Yep, we're actually at 12% profit. Wish we wish we would have put a bunch of money into Shiba Inu. Holy crap, that had quite the run yesterday. Is that up 30 some percent in a day? Oh well, next time. So tomorrow, premiums, covered calls expire. We will probably change some stuff. We'll probably roll this Coinbase one out unless something happens and we actually get to keep it. But right now, that's the only one in the money. I think Goldman Sachs is not in the money. Robinhood is not. Norwegian Cruise Line is not. Stone is not. Stone might be really close though. Oh yeah, Stone is actually in the money. So we will have to watch that. We might want to roll that too. See, if it's above 1350, we have to sell it. Right now it's at 1359, but we'll see what tomorrow brings. I believe we bought that at 1336. Yep. Oh yeah, and another thing I wanted to mention is I want to start building up a position in URI, which is United Rentals. It's a solid company. There's a lot of good news coming out about the construction rental business. They're expecting it to go up significantly in the next 5 years. It's been around for 20 some years, 24,000 employees. The thing I like about this for the portfolio is that it is volatile as hell. And it's a blue chip stock, meaning it's not going to go away overnight. The thing I like about it is that, look at this. So, next week, if we had this, we could sell a covered call on this and raise $660 in one covered call. Of course, that'll cost us $40,000 to make that happen, but we're on our way there. We're currently at 20 shares, and I believe that at the rate things are going, I could probably get it. So we're selling covered calls here in the next 2 to 3 weeks. I might move some stuff around, you know, if we end up losing the Coinbase or something, I'll just throw it in United Rentals. I hate to have so much tied up in United Rentals and Goldman Sachs. I like the diversification, but we're just starting out. We're not going to be able to diversify as much as we should at these early stages. That's just the reality of it. I think that's all I had to talk about there. Let's go to Amazon. So today so far, we've got some sales happening. If you guys are purchasing on Amazon anyway, please go to the royaltyholdingtoken.com website and click the link tree. One of the very first links is the Amazon affiliate link. If you click that, your purchases will be tracked and a portion of that gets rewarded out. And some of it also goes to the portfolio. So, you know, if you're buying a ton on Amazon anyway, you might as well help yourself out in the long run by clicking that button. Yesterday, we had $9.72. Only $36 in ordered revenue. So tomorrow's is not going to be very good, but whatever. We'll have that. We'll have days like that. The YouTube, I want to zoom in on. So the last 7 days. This is basically when we did the rebrand from Shiba Play to Royalty TV. This is the day right here is when we did the makeover. So you can see we were doing 74 cents, 80 cents, and then we had to get rid of a ton of SHIB content, so that hurt revenue significantly. We went down to 23 cents, then 10 cents, and 11 cents. But look at this, we're already bouncing right back. We're almost back to where we were. 74 cents, 42 cents. I mean, it's about half as much, but I mean, it's bounced back really quick. So we made 42 cents yesterday. And let's see, where did I see that before? Oh yeah, the revenue. So look at this. Our average RPM, which is revenue per 1,000 views, is $7.57. That's really high. I think a lot of channels strive to break $5, $6 RPM. And look at this. Our introduction made 25 cents in the past 7 days, and I think there's only like 20 views on that video. Let's see, this reward collection, I think there's only 14 views on this video, and it's done 11 cents. So I guess what I'm saying is there is a playlist, and there's going to be a lot of playlists on this channel. I'm going to work diligently over the next week or two to get a ton of content on here. But I mean, put on the put on the Mage's Quest playlist, put on the Royalty Holding Token Update playlist, and just have it run. I mean, it's really that simple. We can be making, $1,000 a day easily on this, just with our small group we have right now. I mean, if you guys want to increase rewards doing that stuff, I mean, it just shows the power of what a community can do. Okay, we'll move on to the master book here. And this is what we're currently holding in the stock portfolio. Crypto portfolio has not changed. I do have to update these prices. These are not self-updating, but the portfolio is self-updating. So all those numbers should be accurate as of the making of this video. So Goldman Sachs is currently at 57%. We got United Rentals at 14% and Coinbase at 21%. I do like Norwegian Cruise Line. I don't know why, I've traded them a lot. Their premiums are solid. It's a solid company. I mean, we'll make like 1.5% a week just on that stock, so I wouldn't mind holding that for the long run. Coinbase, I'm sure we'll end up getting in and out of that a lot. It's just such a volatile stock. It'll go from $45 all the way up to $70, back down to $40 over the course of 2-3 weeks. So I think I'm going to try to roll that one tomorrow, depending on what the prices do. If the prices increase significantly, I probably won't be able to roll it, and we'll just have to sell it. And then we'll probably just put that money into URI until we get to that 100 shares, and we can start selling premiums on it. Goldman Sachs, I think we'll probably just keep that as long as we can. It's a good, solid company. Premiums are $300-400 every single week. Not a lot to complain about there. And so far this week, Tomorrow will be the final calculation, but so far we are at 228 on AdMob, 531 on AdSense, 5287 on Amazon. The Associates, which we've already explained, has been used in advertising, and $373 in stocks. This will probably go up a little bit, probably get up to about the $400 range. I don't think we're going to hit what we did yet last week, but that's okay. We're going to have ups and downs like that. We just got to keep pushing forward, growing that portfolio, and eventually those numbers will rise too. You have to remember we're also missing this $300 music royalty payment that we had last week. So if you take that away, we're almost identical to last week. Maybe even a little higher. And next week we do have a dividend, I believe. I forget how to even look at that, but I'll figure it out. I believe it's next week we get a payout on Goldman Sachs for $250 dividend. So the next week's payouts are already looking pretty good. I think I covered everything I wanted to cover in this video. I will make another one tomorrow doing the final rewards calculation. Hope you guys have a good day. And just a reminder, right now we're at 9.8 cents. I mean, this is a buying opportunity for this coin. I know Royalty Crypto EarnTube, he created the drip program, and he's got a lot of people already dedicating their rewards into buying more RHT. So this floor is going to keep raising. Eventually, you know, the floor is going to be 15 cents. Eventually, it's going to be 20 cents, 25, 50 cents. But now is a good opportunity to scoop up a bunch of RHT and get some bigger rewards. You know, if you're not happy with some of the rewards that are happening right now with your holdings, I mean, you can double it. I mean, you could buy 100 RHT for 10 bucks right now. And I think 100 RHT will probably pay 1, 2, 3 cents. So you can increase your rewards pretty significantly, pretty shortly. But yeah, anyway, I'm just working here on our portfolio, trying to get the best rewards we can. Just keep spreading the word about RHT. I see a lot of positive messages out there, a lot of people talking about it on Twitter. We just got to get the volume flowing in, and we're golden. This is exciting times for this coin. Alright guys, have a good day. Thanks.